Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting is a useful feature that automatically changes the appearance of cells when they meet a specific condition. This makes important information easier to find and understand. In this example, we have a simple spreadsheet containing product names, regions, and sales information. First, select the range of cells that you want to format. In this example, we are selecting the sales values. Next, go to the Format menu at the top of Google Sheets and select Conditional Formatting. A Conditional Format Rules panel will now appear on the right side of the screen. Under Format cells, if you can choose a condition. For example, we can select greater than and enter a value of 100. Now we can choose a formatting style for the cells that meet this condition. After selecting the style, click Done. Google Sheets will now automatically highlight any sales value greater than 100. This makes it easy to identify important values quickly without manually formatting each cell. Conditional formatting is useful for sales reports, budgets, project tracking, and many other types of spreadsheet data, and that's how you can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.